Hey everyone, welcome back to another CES 2026 booth visit. I have reviewed Urevo products before and I really like their treadmill a lot because it fits daily life so well. Urevo has grown into one of the best wellness ecosystem brand and they deliver strong value for users. The booth has got strong attention at CES, so let's check out their new products. Well, as usual, before we start the video, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Okay, before we talk about the products, let's talk about the brand a bit. Urevo focuses on creating smart, connected fitness and recovery solutions for everyday life. The goal is simple, practical wellness that fits naturally into home, office, and active routines with real user value. Yeah, that's why Urevo is one of the best wellness ecosystem brands in the States. Urevo has showcased many products at the CES booth, but let's talk about the three most interesting and my favorite products. First up are the recovery boots, the world's first AI-powered therapy device for sports recovery. I tried them at the CES booth and truly enjoyed the performance. The system uses smart sensors and proprietary AI to analyze muscles in real time and automatically adjust compression pressure for a personalized experience. The Smart Zone feature targets calves, thighs, or full legs and lets users skip sensitive areas through the application. Okay, with 32 sport-specific modes, the boots deliver tailored recovery after running, cycling, gym training, or long active days, making recovery simple, relaxing, and effective for everyday wellness routines at home. Yeah, this is one of the most interesting and exciting products that I have experienced at CES 2026. If the boots are interesting and exciting, then what about the CyberMega Treadmill? Yeah, next is the CyberMega Treadmill, built mainly for marathon runners. I've also tried it at the CES booth of Urevo, pushed the speed high, and tested the automatic incline system. The run felt stable and smooth even at a very fast pace. The World Tour mode recreates famous courses like Boston and Berlin with AI-adjusted incline up to 12%. Yeah, it really was fun to try this product, and moreover, an AI marathon coach gives real-time guidance, pace alerts, and split-time feedback during sessions. The dual brushless motors are rated for 100,000 kilometers, promising long-term reliability and quiet operation. From my experience, the treadmill feels solid, responsive, and practical for training at home. Finally, here comes the Cyberpad for office, which is designed as a smart wellness partner for the standing desk. I tested it briefly at the booth and I liked the concept so much that I have already ordered one online and I am waiting for the delivery. The slim design fits easily under a desk and tracks steps, calories, and active time through the remote or application. It supports low-speed walking all day, runs quietly with durable dual brushless motors, and offers AI-powered incline up to 14% for higher calorie burn and better joint comfort. The design keeps movement smooth and comfortable during long work hours. Yeah, if you want me to review this, please let me know in the comment section cause I'm gonna get one of this. Okay, after visiting the Urevo booth, the idea is clear. Training, active work, and recovery are connected into one simple system. The products feel practical, useful, and focused on everyday wellness. If you want a full detailed review of any of these products, leave a comment in the comment section and help us to choose next video topic. Well, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
থেমে থাকার জন্য তাকাতা